Let's cook these tender, sweet and spicy stovetop chicken wings. If you want the full written recipe with exact quantities, tips and menu ideas, they are on my recipe site islandsmile.org. To cook the stovetop wings, first, wash and drain the chicken wings and set them on a large platter. Pat dry to remove any excess water. If you notice, I've left the wings intact, but you can cut them and separate into wings and drumlets. Now, let's marinate the wings. Pour the soy sauce, brown sugar. You can control the sweetness of the wings by adding more or less. Next, and the garlic paste, red chilli powder, chicken seasoning. This ingredient can be optional, followed by black pepper powder. Combine well, set aside for 1 hour or refrigerate overnight to marinate. Once the chicken is marinated, let's shallow fry the wings. Pour in the oil and let it heat for a few seconds. Add the wings and fry both sides until they turn crispy. I fried these wings in batches and then added all of them into the large frying pan. Once you've fried all the wings, add the marinade and combine well. Continue to fry for another 3 to 5 minutes. Once the wings are fried, remove them from the frying pan. To the remaining oil, add chopped garlic. Cook over low heat for 60 seconds or until they release their aroma. Add freshly chopped red chilies. You can substitute this with green chilies or red chili flakes. Cook over very low heat so that you avoid burning the chilies. Once the chili garlic oil is ready, add the fried wings back again. Combine the wings until they absorb the chili garlic oil. Remove from stove and serve warm. And this is your sweet and spicy stovetop chicken wings. For the full recipe and more recipes, head on to islandsmile.org.